Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ahmad, Zidan, Billah, Ardifaza. I am a student of Wonopringgo 1 Junior High School, Pekalongan Regency. I would like to give a speech entitled Let's Be Good Pancasila Students. Nowadays, we often hear the term Pancasila student. It may be unfamiliar for some of us. Ladies and gentlemen, Pancasila students are lifelong learners who have global competence and behave in accordance with Pancasila values, with 6 main characteristics, namely believing in and fearing of God Almighty and having noble character, global diversity, mutual cooperation, independence, reasoning critically, and creative. The 6 characteristics are described as follows. The first is believing in and fearing of God Almighty and having noble character. The 5 key elements are faith, piety to God Almighty, and have a noble character are religious morals, personal morals, morals to humans, morals to nature, and morals to state. The second is global diversity. As Pancasila students, we must know and appreciate our culture, be able to interact interculturally, reflect and be responsible for the experience of diversity. Ladies and gentlemen, the third is mutual cooperation. Pancasila students must be able to work together to carry out collaborative activities by voluntarily caring for each other and wanting to share so that the activities carried out can run smoothly and easily. The fourth is independence. Indonesian students are independent students who are responsible for their learning processes and outcomes. The key elements of independence are awareness of themselves and the situations they face, as well as self-regulation. The fifth is critical reasoning. Students who think critically are able to objectively obtain and process information and ideas, analyze and evaluate reasoning, reflect on thoughts and thinking processes, and make decisions. Ladies and gentlemen, the sixth is creative. Creative students are able to produce original ideas, original works, and actions that are meaningful and useful. I am proud of being a Pancasila student because I have Pancasila with a lot of good values that is always relevant to the progress of the times. The values of Pancasila have made me not to lose my identity, able to become a creative student, independent, reasoning critically, working together, having global diversity, and having a noble character. Dear my friends, the students in Indonesia, let's behave based on the values of Pancasila. It's time to reach our dreams. Let's be the golden generation with intelligent character. and let's save Indonesia from the crisis of character. That's all for my speech today. I hope it is useful for us. And thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.